respected citizens of India, and my dear friends. Today I rise to speak on matter of utmost importance, the threat of artificial intelligence AI in India. While technology has boon for human progress, unchecked and unrestricted use of artificial intelligence by the public poses a grave danger to our society, economic, and even our democracy. Firstly, AI threatens employment in a country like India, where millions depend on a small jobs, daily wages, and introduction and middle level professions. The introduction of AI powered machine will replace human labor, from drivers to clerks, from teachers to lawyers. AI is slowly taking over jobs. AI is, we can say that it is a developing nation with such a large population afford to throw our citizens into unemployment just to promote machines. Secondly, AI poses a danger to privacy and security. Public use of AI can easily be misused for spreading fake needs, creating false identities, unemployment, or manipulating elections, and even blackmailing introduce or innocent citizens. Deepfakes and AI generated content have already shown us how dangerous this technology can be in wrong hands. Should we allow every individual to use such a powerful and destructive tool? And thirdly, AI undermines human creativity and decision making. Instead of thinking, reading, and analyzing, people are becoming dependent on machines. If the younger generation relies only on AI for answers, the human mind will slowly become weak and originality will die. And AI may be misused by criminals and anti-national elements. Terrorists, hackers, and fraudsters can easily exploit AI for cybercrime, financial fraud, and spreading communal hatred. National security demands that such technology be restricted to only a few responsible agencies like defenses, law enforcement, and research institutions. Finally, we must not forget the ethical and moral dangers. Machines do not understand human values, emotions, or culture. India is a land of traditions, wisdom, and humanity. If we hand over our society to AI, we risk losing and identity. Therefore, I strongly submit that AI should be banned for the general public and local individuals in India. It should be used only by important agencies for national development, defense, healthcare, and scientific research under strict regulation and accountability. Let us remember that machines are created to serve humans, not rule over them. If India wants to protect its people, its employment, its security, and its culture, we must take a strong stand today. Restrict AI before it restricts us. Thank you. That's all.